If you ever smelling crazy, if you ever having a bad day, you just a spritz. Don't volley. Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning back into my channel. It is your girl Princess Just, and today I am going in depth with exactly what I have in my emergency school kit for school. So this is my bag. This is essentially where all of my stuff is always in, including my emergency kit. So I just wanted to show you guys exactly who's the star of the show. So essentially, I guess you could say what you want to start off with in your emergency kit or in your bag altogether is making sure that you have some sort of germ remover, whether that be Lysol. I have Lysol in my car, so I'm not going to show that. That's not necessarily going to be in my emergency kit, but if you want, you can always get the miniature version of Lysol cans and have that just to spray down any area that you sit in before you start your work for school, you know, just so that you don't get no germs or nothing and travel with that all over the place and blah blah. So yeah, I got this from Bath and Body Works. I did mention that in my what's in my school bag video, which I will tag in the video here so that you guys can see exactly what I always have in my bag. So this little compact mini bag is exactly where I have all of my go-to items in for my womanhood, I guess you could say. So I got this little compact bag from Amazon. As y'all can see off the rip when I open it, it's like a really nice bright red. So off rip, you always want to carry either tampons or pads with you. I have the Always pads. I love them so much, y'all. It's super thin, but it's like super wide. This is the level 2 one. I usually use the level 3 one on my heavy flows, and on my more lighter days I use the 2. Next, of course, you want to just make sure you have some gum. I have the extra gum. I love extra. I always make sure that I carry some lip gloss. This is the Essence Shine lip gloss. I absolutely love this. It does not have no tacky feeling. You know when you put your lip gloss on and it has that weird like sticky tacky feeling? I hate that. And this feels like it's ointment, like A&D on your lips, which I absolutely love, and it's very moisturizing. So get in tune. Staying on that lip category, of course, every single time before I put any lip gloss, lip liner, anything on, I always go in using a hint of Carmax because she keeps your lips moisturized. In order for me to apply all these items onto the face, I always have a compact mini mirror. I absolutely love Fenty's bronzer, so I always have it with me, and I love how compact their mirror is. So cute, super chic, and it's definitely easy to carry around everywhere. So I always have this in my emergency kit. Next, of course, you want to just have some type of perfume with you, just so that you know, like, if you ever smelling crazy, if you ever having a bad day, you just a spritz. Don't volley. Specifically if you like be, you know, chiefing, or like if you just be like, you know, for the people, if you smoke cigs, which I hope, please don't be smoking cigs, or if you smoke bud, just make sure you have something lightweight to spray on you so that you're not smelling excessively like what you just intaked, if you get what I mean. Next, after that, of course, you always want to have some hand cream with you. I actually don't carry like large body lotions. You know how like we used to be in school and we used to always have those big ass like body lotions? I don't carry them in my bag because every single time I do, they end up opening up some way, somehow, and a whole spillage. And even though it smells extremely good, it just like messes up your entire bag, and then you have to clean it, and then it's wet, and then it messes up all your assignments, and feel me? So having a small and compact lotion that you can tuck away in your kit is extremely perfect, because God forbid if it does spill inside, which it shouldn't because this one has a cap, but hypothetically speaking, if that were to ever happen, you know, you're able to let it happen in here and not in your entire bag. You know what I mean? Now, there are some items that I mentioned that I don't have on me right now, which I always have. If you've seen my previous like what's in my school bag videos, you've seen that I have those items. So as I mentioned before, a portable size Lysol can is extremely perfect for school, just so that you're not carrying around multiple and crazy germs, some Lysol or Clorox wipes are extremely perfect for school, just because you want to wipe down anything that has just any grossness to it. You don't want to deal with that at all. I also, like, y'all just please do not judge me, I also always carry around like lash glue with me, just because sometimes y'all know, like, that inner corner of your eye where you tear up. If I'm wearing lashes, like strips, and if it wants to disrespect me, my eyeball wants to disrespect me and water up, I always make sure that I have glue, just so that I could put a dab in the inner corner, tap that right down, and just have my lashes looking as perfect as they can. I always try to make sure that I have some type of candy in my bag. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed this emergency kit haul. I will link down the bag that I purchased, the cosmetic bag. This bag I got from Amazon, which I absolutely love. Like I said, the red that's in here is so cute, and it's really easy to close. It keeps all my items snug so that it's not overwhelming, and it fits in my bag like perfectly. And so with that being said, y'all, thank you so much for tuning into this video. I do hope that you guys did enjoy it. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next video.